I need your love to heal my heart. How long, Lord, will you delay? Come and rescue me without delay. Save me by your mercy, my heart cannot bear another break. In the night, my tears still flow. I cry until my pillow hears. But every whisper I breathe, you catch it before it even leaves. Oh, heal my soul, Lord, hear my cry. I am drowning, but you are near. You are my refuge, my deliverance. Come and fill me with your peace. I am weary, Lord, I am torn inside, but in your mercy I will remain. You heard my prayer, you called my name, and I will never be the same. My eyes grow dark with endless tears, surrounded by my enemies and fears. But you, Lord, heard my groan. I know I'm seen. I am not alone. Depart from me, you hateful hearts. My God has opened the gates of heaven. He turned my weeping into grace. I see redemption in his face. When I lay broken on the ground, you whispered love and nothing more. You took my shame, you set me free. Your mercy rewrote history. Heal my soul, Lord, hear my cry. But you are near. Oh, you are my refuge, my deliverance. Come and fill me with your peace. Oh, you are weary, Lord, I am torn inside, but in your mercy I will stand. You heard my prayer, you called my name, and I will never be the same. Oh, you saw my tears before they fell. Oh, you lifted me from my own hell. Oh, my heart was lost, but now it beats, restored on your mercy's feet. Heal my soul, Lord, lift up my eyes. I am alive, I am sanctified. You turn my pain into your song. Now to your grace I belong. My enemies will disappear, but